Psyche went to see Aphrodite, her mother-in-law, to retrieve her runaway husband, Eros. She begged and pleaded until her hands and feet ached, but Aphrodite, who had long disliked Psyche, would not grant her wish so easily.
Because of you, our Eros suffered both physical and emotional wounds. I would rather not forgive you at all. But just this once. If you complete 3 tasks I assign, I will forgive you.
The first task Aphrodite gave her was to sort the grains in the granary. She had to separate the wheat, barley, millet, and beans by that evening. Psyche worked hard. As she stood there, tears streaming down her face, Eros, who had been watching her, sent ants to help with the sorting. Though Eros had left because he was hurt by Psyche, his love for her still remained. By evening, Aphrodite came to the storehouse, feeling pleased and expecting to scold Psyche. But the storehouse was already perfectly organized. Aphrodite instantly realized that Eros had intervened.
Eros, helping her with this. Ugh!
The second task she assigned was to gather the fleece of the golden sheep. These sheep were ferocious creatures, capable of easily killing humans. Unaware of the danger, Psyche went to find the sheep. As she tried to cross the river, the voice of the river god reached her.
Do those sheep look gentle? Absolutely not. If you get too close, you will die. Wait until sunset, when all the sheep have returned. Then gather the wool caught on tree stumps or bushes. Wait.
Psyche waited as the river god had instructed and was able to safely retrieve the fleece. Finally, the most difficult mission. She had to descend into the underworld and bring back a little beauty from Persephone. She gave Charon, the ferryman of the river Styx, a single coin as payment, tossed bread to Cerberus, and finally met Persephone to obtain the box containing beauty. But Persephone said this:
You must never open that box.
She promised she wouldn't, but in the end, she opened it anyway. The truth was, the box did not hold beauty, but eternal sleep. Falling into eternal sleep meant death. Right there, Psyche fell into a deep slumber, and Eros sprang into action. He succeeded in waking her by lightly pricking her with one of his arrows. After that, Psyche and Eros were formally married. Psyche drank the nectar of the gods and was reborn as a goddess, and at that moment, butterfly wings sprouted from her back.